Hi everybody, I'm going to tell you today about the Bernette model B33. The B33 is sort of in the middle of the Bernette line. It will have quite a few stitches, quite a few features for the money. Very good value, very good value. Now this machine here will have 14 built-in sewing utility stitches. You can adjust the length here. You can adjust the width on the zigzag stitch here. This model does have a 4-step buttonhole. You can sew with a twin needle. It's got 2 spool pins here. Nice carrying handle for when you want to take it to class. Machine weighs around 14-15 pounds. Going to have the metal working parts. On our throat plate here, we do have a place in the bed of the machine and we can put a seam gauge and screw that down. Our needle plate has markings into it to help us with a seam allowance. It does have the removable free arm. I like the way the accessory tray is on this machine. I can easily open it up, get to all my presser feet and bobbins and needles, and I can pull the machine off here, the bed off here. Then I do have the front loading bobbin style. This is a really easy style to thread. I just put my bobbin in here. There's one slit here that I thread, and I have it threaded. Just simply insert it back into the metal bobbin case housing, and then I'm ready to go. Right here we'll have the drop feed lever, so when you're doing free motion work or if you need to darn a hole or put a button in, you have the ability to do that. Then I do have the reverse here. Now let's show you how easy this machine is to thread, because for the money this machine also has a built-in needle threader. So I'll get ready, everything's kind of channeled all the way down to my needle. Have extra thread guides here and here. And then I just pull my needle threader down like so. And I've easily threaded that needle. You have extra high lift under the presser foot. I'll raise my thread up and I'm ready to start sewing. Everything's really easy to get to on the machine. On the front of the machine here I have my stitch diagram, and everything is lettered so I can easily dial the stitch up. So stitch A's are straight stitch, and I can adjust the length of my straight stitch here. It has the electronic foot control that comes with it. And I'll get to my zigzag stitches. I can go and just basically just go to B, and then if I want to make it a wider zigzag, I have the ability to do that, or make it a real narrow. And then if I want to do a satin stitch, I can do that just by easily cutting my stitches down and do a really pretty decorative type satin stitch on the machine. The machine will have stretch stitches built in. The machine does have stretch stitches built in. The orange level here shows us all the stretch stitches that are built in on the machine. And why would I want to have stretch stitches on the machine? Well, this machine has the ability to sew 2 stitches forward and 1 in reverse. So all I need to do on my stitch length is go to S, which stands for stretch stitch, and I'll put it on A here to do a stretch straight stitch. If you'll notice, the machine is sewing 2 stitches forward and 1 in reverse, automatically back tagging and tying it in for me. When I get to the end of my seam, I'm ready to go. There are times when we're using certain fabrics that we want to have the stretch stitch feature enabled. I'll give you an idea. If I'm making a garment and the material is kind of stretchy, and our stress areas of our garment, sometimes we can put too much stress on it. If I'm just using a regular straight stitch like what I have here, and I just hear those stitches pop, okay, well that's not a good stitch to be using on a material like this. So the machine does have the ability to have the stretch straight stitch built in. So let's go back over it with that. Notice how the machine is sewing 2 stitches forward and 1 in reverse. It's automatically back tacking the stitch for me. I can increase my stitch length here or back it down just depending on what I'm doing. When I get to the end of my garment, I'll just hit reverse and just back tack the end so the stitch doesn't come out. And I'll put the same amount of force. You don't hear any stitches popping. For stretch material, the stretch stitch is the way to go. There are also other decorative stitches that are built in and utility stitches. on the stretch stitch feature. If I want to do a decorative effect, I have a rick rack stitch built in. Used to, you'd buy a rick rack in the store and sew it on by hand, but now I have that built into the machine. You can use that for a decorative effect, get a really bright colored embroidery thread. Really makes a big difference. There's some scallop stitches that are built in on this machine as well. Overcasting stitches, blanket stitch built in. For a decorative border, that's really pretty. The Bernette B33 is a super tough machine. Like I said earlier, we will have the metal working parts built in. Here I've got 8-ply of denim, which basically represents probably the heaviest thing you'll sew, maybe the side seam on a pair of pants. But I have enough room to get my material up under the needle, raise my needle up, put my fabric underneath it. Feed dog is going to grab it in plenty of places to sew. And I'm going to go and put it back on my stretch stitch or my straight stitch. Sews through 8-ply denim with no problem whatsoever. Ken's Sewing Center is an authorized Bernette dealer. We carry every model in the Bernette series. We also service what we sell. Any machine you purchase from us, you have free lessons for life. You can call us toll free if you're on the other side of the country and can't get to us that easily. We can walk out in front of a machine and help you through and talk you through any problem or that you may have, or if you have need of help with an accessory. Feel free to give us a call, drop us an email. We'll be glad to help you find the right Bernette for you.